to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to send expire mail in Gmail. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Then after you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and click on Compose right here. Then go ahead and enter your recipients. Go ahead and enter your subject of the mail. Go ahead and enter your mail right here. Once you enter the content of your mail, go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on confidential mode. Now you are here. So you can set the expire period, whether expire in 1 day, expire in 1 week, expire in 1 month. So in this tutorial, I'm going to put it in expire in 1 week. Once you choose to expire in 1 week, go ahead and hit on save right here. Now, content expire in this October 25, 2025. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on send. Message sent. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.